us to go. Woo! Yeah, bye. And we're back here. We're attempting to just go a little bit there and see what's happening. Oh, 2 girls and 1 rope. Oh my goodness. Yeah, the water's a little dark here, but it gets super clear there. Yeah. If anyone knows why the soil is super black, I was asking Rain if this is some sort of oil spill, but I guess it's not. It's just part of nature, I guess. I'm just super not fuck. Oh my god, sorry. Ooh, sorry. Stepped on a huge rock. Yeah, and it gets super clear na. It's clear na, nice and clear. And then you can make tambay there, like those guys. They have some red horse with them. A while ago, there's an entrance fee of 20 pesos. I wonder where the fee goes. I guess just to the locals. And there's a bunch of guys on the tree, para silang mga ibon. It's like there are a bunch of birds. They're just chilling out there. And you can take a boat if you want to go around, but this goes all the way there. A bunch of like little fishies there. I don't know if you can see them. They're kind of moving. What are they? They're parang tadpoles.
No, just fish.
Oh my god, look at that little crabby wabby. It's a little... Oh no, it's not a crab. What is it? It's that like one, that shell thingy. Oops, sorry.
Oh, it's a hermit.
Hermit crab.
Mas masarap doon, mas malamig.
Yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina.
Oo, malamig.
Doon. Sinabi ko kanina kay ma'am.
Gano'ng kalayo yung ano nila?
Ano lang
boat?
siguro. Ganyan. Ay doon.
Gano'ng hanggang doon lang?
Boundary na yung paglapas na may bahay dyan.
Oo. May bahay.
May bahay dyan. Boundary yung. Tapos pinatanggal ng ano.
Nilipad ko yung drone hanggang doon kasi.
Ang drone talaga.
Hanggang
hanggang doon talaga.
all the way sa sa ocean na eh.
Ocean
no?
na. Kasi paglabas na ito, na ocean talaga.
Oo.
Paglabas mo, magbubungko talaga kalabasan mo.
Makikita ko.
Opo. Opo.
Makikita.
O baka sa inyo ano, may isa pa tayo dyan. Mag-guide lang ako sa inyo.
Lakaran lang
Para
namin.
Di, malayo.
I mean, hanggang doon lang.
Salamat.
Oh, we can bring paddle boards or something in the future. Kasi the water's so calm. Super still. You just paddle your way.
Because me and my friend, the dirt bikes would be inside.
Talaga? Wait, like you'll bring your dirt bike here?
Yeah.
Wow, nice. Hey, there's a hammock here too. Oh, sarap matulog dyan. That's the life, huh? That's amazing. Chill out here, spend the whole day here. Chill out like what they're doing. Chilling like a villain. Yeah, this just goes all the way there. More of these, I don't know, it's a little swampy for me, but I'm good. And we keep finding this. We don't know what this is, but it looks so interesting. It's from the tree, right? Where is it coming? I don't see any in the tree. It's like
Get to that stage.
it's like you can make a hat or something.
Like that.
Where?
Opens up. It's like a
Where is it? I can't.
thing.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
Opens up and then
Oh, this is so cool. Yeah. I don't know. Like. Uh, yeah, yeah, here. I know. Hindi, para kayo mga ibon, yung nakatambay-tambay lang. That's quite cool. Neverland. Feels like Neverland here almost. Hey, time for us to go. Woo! Yeah, bye. Oh my God, careful! Ano ba yan? Oh my God, wow. Wait, we're not gonna do that, right?
no, no.
We're not gonna wheelie. No wheelies here, please. Like, wait lang. Oh. Alright, yeah. Okay, got everything intact. Okay. Pushing forward so that we don't tell, but we are at the Consuelo wakeboarding place.
Hi! Again! Hold on!
Yeah, this is where you come to do your wakeboarding.
Yeah, don't go in the black plastic because it's very slippery.
It's free entrance at the moment. They serve food. You can just chill out here by the shade. Looks interesting. I'll show you when somebody goes wakeboarding, but otherwise let's explore this place. Wake Park, Siargao it says. You got water na rin?
I just refilled.
Yeah. Biobe. Hey, everything looks so good here. I'm so hungry. Honestly, I can have everything on the menu. Belgian fries, fish and chips, chicken and chips, mozzarella sticks, chicken tenders. Oh my god, everything. Nachos, pasta. This is the cost. Wakeboarding 1, 2. That's actually not bad. That's actually not bad for the price. Okay na siya. Hydrofoiling. Okay na siya. Oh my god, brownies. Wow, everything looks so yummy. Oh, I think their coffee looks legit. What I love about Siargao is they always have these water dispensers, so everywhere you go, you can always refill your water bottle. So don't forget to bring your water bottle. Music's really happening here. It's like they really want you to chill out here, but there's a girl there doing her wakeboarding. Wondering what to do in Siargao. There's some bike rentals here too if you want to do that. Water sports. There are dogs everywhere.
Yep. Mag-wakeboard kayo?
Hindi ngayon, kakain lang. Tsaka,
Chill lang.
manonood lang.
Oo.
Chill. What's your name?
Jay.
Look for Jay at the wakeboarding park here in
Hello
Siargao.
guys.
He's gonna teach you how to wakeboard.
Yep.
Beginners, pati yung flip ba kasama?
Ha?
Pati yung flip, tuturuan niyo kung paano mag-flip.
Like flip what?
Like, hindi naman totally flip. Like yung pag-akyat dyan, tapos gano'n, tapos maglalang.
Oh.
Kayang-kaya. Kaya ba ng beginner yan? Or usually
Hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi. Oo. Dapat beginner board yung gamitin first. And then, shift pag okay ka na sa turning,
Yeah.
shift ka sa advanced board na.
Okay, right. So it's only with the advanced board na pwede
Yes.
mag-acrobats.
Yep. You can do tricks.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Cool.
everything. With the advanced board.
Oh, there he is. Or she is. He's coming back.
Bye.
And it's so chill there. Everyone's just chilling. But ooh,
Sweet.
here she comes. Easy peasy. Oh no.
You good?
Almost, not quite. Okay, let's. Oh.
Good job, Karina. Next round, we're gonna do the turn, okay? You too, Anna.
Yay! Last time I did wakeboarding was CWC in Bicol. It was a long time ago. Must have been 21 years old then. So, I don't mind giving it a go.
Nice one, bro. Nice one. Just relax. Relax. Arm straight. Just arm straight.
He's doing it. It's amazing. Yay. All right.
Okay. It's okay. Again.
Cool.
That's okay. That's okay. Just hold on. Hold on.
You're so cute. Oh, doesn't like the GoPro. Tabing. Oh no, it's the other one that's friendly. You're the other one that's friendly. You're the other one that's friendly. What do you call it? B-roll? Cheers!
Literal slush. The headlight bulb of it.
Yeah.
You need a computer to remove the warning that the system gives you.